Ever wondered how an electric water heater works to provide you with a warm shower after a long day? Electric water heaters are essential in our daily lives, especially in colder climates or during the winter season. They transform electrical energy into heat, giving us the luxury of warm water at our fingertips. Whether it's for a soothing bath, a hot cup of tea, or washing dishes, these marvels of modern technology make our lives more comfortable. Let's dive into the mechanics of an electric water heater to learn more. At first glance, an electric water heater might seem complex, but it's actually composed of simple components. Let's start with the tank. This is the main body of the water heater, typically made of steel and lined with glass to prevent rusting. It's responsible for holding and storing the water for heating. Inside the tank, you'll find one or two heating elements, similar to the elements you'd find in an electric oven. These are the workhorses of the water heater, converting electrical energy into heat to warm up the water. Next up is the thermostat. This is the control center of the water heater, maintaining the water temperature within a certain range. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, directing the heating elements to heat up or cool down as needed. Then, there's the drain valve. Located at the bottom of the tank, it allows for easy draining of the water for maintenance or troubleshooting. It's a small but crucial component that helps keep your water heater in good working order. And let's not forget about the pressure relief valve. This safety device releases water in case the pressure or temperature inside the tank gets too high, preventing potential accidents. So there you have it. The tank, heating elements, thermostat, drain valve, and pressure relief valve, each playing a crucial part in the overall functioning of an electric water heater. Now that we understand the key components, let's explore how they work together to heat our water. So, how does cold water turn into hot water inside this appliance? Well, it's quite a fascinating process really, and it all happens in an electric water heater. Let's break it down step by step. Firstly, the cold water enters the tank through a dip tube. The dip tube is a pipe that runs from the top of the tank to near the bottom, allowing cold water to flow into the tank and push the hot water out of the top. This ensures that the cold water doesn't mix with the hot water already in the tank. Now, the heating process begins. This is where the heating elements come into play. Typically, an electric water heater has two heating elements, one at the top and one at the bottom of the tank. When the cold water enters the tank, the bottom heating element kicks in first. It starts to heat the water from the bottom, ensuring that the water begins to warm up evenly. Once the water at the bottom of the tank reaches a certain temperature, the top heating element starts to work. It heats the upper portion of the water, creating a sort of hot water layer on top of the cooler water. This process is known as stratification, and it's what makes sure that the hot water is always ready for use at the top of the tank. But how does the heater know when to heat the water and when to stop? That's where the thermostat comes in. The thermostat is like the brain of the water heater. It constantly monitors the temperature of the water in the tank. When the water temperature drops below a certain point, the thermostat triggers the heating elements to start working. And when the water reaches the desired temperature, the thermostat tells the elements to stop. So that's how the water in your shower gets heated. But how does it reach your shower head? Getting the hot water to your shower head or faucet is a process in itself. You see, the magic of hot water distribution begins with a simple rule of physics. Hot water, being lighter than cold water, naturally rises to the top of the tank. This is why the outlet pipe, which delivers hot water to your home, is located at the top of the water heater. Now, imagine the tank as a busy highway. The water inside is like the traffic, always in motion. As hot water is drawn from the top, cold water enters the tank from the bottom through the dip tube. This ensures that the tank is always full and ready to supply hot water whenever you need it. Let's take a moment to appreciate our unsung hero in this process, the drain valve. Situated at the bottom of the tank, it plays a crucial role in maintaining the efficiency of your electric water heater. This valve allows you to drain the tank for maintenance or to replace the water inside. Draining the tank from time to time helps to prevent the buildup of sediment, which could otherwise reduce the heater's efficiency and lifespan. The distribution process doesn't end with the tank, though. The network of pipes running throughout your house is like a well-organized transit system, ensuring that hot water reaches every faucet and shower head. These pipes are insulated to prevent heat loss, so your water remains hot during its journey. It's worth noting that the speed at which hot water reaches your faucet or shower head depends on several factors, including the distance from the heater, the diameter of the pipes, and the water pressure in your home. So next time you enjoy a hot shower or wash your dishes with warm water, remember the intricate process that makes it all possible. From the humble drain valve to the network of pipes, each component plays a vital role in delivering that comforting warmth. And voila, you have hot water at your disposal. So, there you have it. That's how an electric water heater works. Over the last few minutes, we've taken a deep dive into the fascinating world of electric water heaters. We've explored the essential components, the heating process, and the distribution process. We've unraveled the mystery behind that warm, comforting shower you enjoy each day. It's quite a marvel of modern engineering, isn't it? Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. An electric water heater consists of crucial components such as the tank, heating elements, thermostat, and the dip tube. Each has a unique role to play in the heating process. The water gets heated when the thermostat senses a drop in temperature and activates the heating elements. It's a simple yet effective mechanism, ensuring you have hot water whenever you need it. But here's the thing. It's not just about understanding how the heater works. It's also about taking care of it. Regular maintenance of your electric water heater is crucial to ensure its efficiency and longevity. Just like any other appliance in your home, it needs a bit of TLC now and then. Remember to periodically check the anode rod, which protects the tank from corrosion. It's also a good idea to flush the tank at least once a year to remove any sediment buildup. These simple steps can go a long way in keeping your water heater in top shape for years to come. So, the next time you're basking in the warmth of your shower, spare a thought for the intricate process that makes it possible. Appreciate the everyday marvels of technology and engineering that bring comfort and convenience to your life. In the spirit of continuous learning, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep discovering. The world is full of wonders waiting to be uncovered, and knowledge is the key to unveiling them. Next time you take a warm shower, remember the intricate process that makes it possible. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.